How you doing? My name is Brian Martin. I'm the owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. One of the biggest questions we get in reference to remodeling is how much does it cost to remodel a master bathroom? The answer, as always, it varies. And why does it vary? Because of the scope of work. But on average, remodeling a master bathroom costs between $50,000 to $75,000. Why is there such a large gap in that variability in the price? The biggest reason to go on the higher side of that budget is by changing around the plumbing fixtures and the electrical. So what does that kind of mean? That means moving the shower from one side to the other side of the room, moving the tub, moving the electrical outlets, and moving the electrical fixtures. Those are some ways to increase the cost. So what does that mean? If you don't move them, you'll save some money. What's another way to increase the cost and the budget of your master bathroom remodeling project is by the fixtures, tile, custom vanity selection. Those are all ways to increase it. But when you work with us, we'll walk you through the process, work you through our design build process that allow you to pick the fixtures and everything in there within your budget. So if you'd like to learn more about remodeling a master bathroom, give us a call at 757-310-2926 and we'd love to help you out.